Hello, you're welcome to Prime Digital. Most people don't know this, but there are secret settings on your Android phone that quietly consume your data without your knowledge. Sometimes you buy data about 5 gig or 10 gig, you won't download any big file or watch any long video. By the time you realize the data is exhausted. Today I'm here to show you some settings you should turn off now to save data. And the last one is the biggest data killer. The first one is background data. Some apps are constantly running in the background using your data, even if you are not using them. Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. These apps are always running in the background using your internet without your knowledge. So to curb this, what to do is that you go to, let me bring my phone screen so that you see it. Okay, so you look for settings. No, not this settings. You look for settings. Okay, when you click on settings, depending on the type of phone you are using, you might see network and internet or SIM and network settings. So mine is SIM and network settings. So you click on SIM and network settings. So once you are here, you scroll down and look for data security. Data security, or some devices will say internet. So once you click on data security, you come down to data settings and usage. Some devices will just say data usage. You won't see data settings and it will just tell you data usage. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you scroll down and look for data saver. You can see data saver. So you click on data saver. If you want, you can turn data saver on. As you can see, mine is off. So now I have to turn it on. Okay, so data saver is turned on now. Okay, so you go back and then you look for data saving mode if your phone has something like that. So once you click on it, here is it. So you click on open. Once you click on open, you come to add. So once you click add, you see all these apps are running in the background using my data. All these, they are running in the background using my data. So if I want to save data on any of them, let's say Facebook, I don't want Facebook to be running in the background. I don't want Instagram, Messenger, Telegram, TikTok, WhatsApp Business, YouTube Music. A whole lot of apps are running in the background. So if I don't want any of them to be running in the background, I can decide to take all of them like this. So I don't want them to run in the background. I can take all those apps that I don't want to be running in the background so that such apps will not be consuming my data even when I'm not using them. Okay, so like I can just take all those, all the apps, almost all the apps on my phone are running or using data in the background. But now I've selected a few of them that I don't want to run in the background to save data. So now I can go back and then I'm rest assured that these apps will not be running in the background using my data without my knowledge. So that is the first setting to use to save data. Okay, so the next setting is something that almost nobody pays attention to, but it is one of the biggest data or internet drainer. Okay, so it is known as auto app updates. Your apps or some of your apps are constantly running in the background or updating in the background using your data. Because the tech world is so dynamic, things keep changing each and every minute. So most of these apps keep updating to the latest versions to keep up with the trending or the latest tech updates. Okay, so to stop these updates, what to do is that you go back. Let's go back to the phone screen. So you look for Play Store, which is where you download most of your apps from. So once you go to Play Store like this, you click on your profile picture. Okay, so once you click on your profile picture like this, you scroll down and look for settings. Okay, we have settings here. So you click on settings. And once you click on settings, you look for network preferences. So you click on network preferences and you see auto app updates. So once you click on auto app update, you can decide to update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once you select this one, that means even if your phone is not connected to Wi-Fi, your phone can still use your internet or your data to download or update apps in the background. Okay, but so if you don't want it that way, what to do is that you just select the update over Wi-Fi only. Okay, so in this case, your phone is not giving the permission to auto update apps in the background using your data. The apps will only be updated once you connect to a Wi-Fi network. Okay, so that is the second setting that can save you a whole lot of megabytes or gigabytes. Remember to subscribe to the channel Prime Digital on Facebook, TikTok, and then YouTube. So the next setting to turn off is auto sync. Auto sync. Your phone is constantly syncing data or emails and other accounts in the background, which uses your data. So to turn this off, let's go to, let me show you my phone screen. Okay, so the same thing, you go to settings, then you look for accounts. Okay, depending on the device you are using, where to find your accounts might differ. Mine is users and accounts, so you click on it. Once you click on it, you scroll down and look for, as you can see, mine is set as automatically sync app data. Okay, automatically sync app data, so you can turn it off so that the auto syncing will be disabled. In this way, your phone will not be syncing emails and other accounts in the background that uses your data. This is another data saving setting you have to turn off on your phone. Okay, so the next one and the biggest one, as I said, is system updates and large file downloads. If your phone is set to auto update the file system or the software system using your internet, this is the most or the biggest data drainer on the phone settings, as I told you about. So that one, to turn it off, what to do is that, let me bring my phone screen. Okay, so that one, to the same thing, you go to settings. Let's look for settings. So you click on settings. Once you're at settings, you scroll down to system. Okay, under system, you look for software update. Depending on the phone you are using, you can see software update or system update. So you click on system update. Okay, well, mine, you see, there are some, once you click on system update, you can set it to Wi-Fi only. Okay, so that one, you click on the Wi-Fi only so that your phone software only update when you are connected to a Wi-Fi. Okay, but mine is not like that here. So what you do, you click on online update, then you go to settings, Wi-Fi preferences, you see it here, or you can just turn on Wi-Fi so that your phone will only auto update when you are connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, so that is it. Once you turn this off, you save a lot of data on your phone. So that is it for today. We have a lot more coming up for you. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share for someone to also benefit. If there's any other better setting to turn off or to minimize data consumption, kindly let me know in the comment section. See you again in our next video. Bye bye.